Well, hello everybody. My name is Glenn. Well, for today's talk, we're going to be talking about an animal that's also a plant. Well, do you know what it is? It is in a slug family, and its scientific name is Eliza chlorotica. But for today's video, we're just going to use our friendly name of it, Eliza, for easier talk, so that we wouldn't have to spend our time a lot. Well, for today, we're going to be discovering about this kind of amazing animal. Well, first, must tell you about what is the very special things of it, right? Well, an Eliza chlorotica looks just like this one. Well, do you believe it? It looks just like a leaf. Let me show you some pictures. Here, so there's a picture of a slug. You can see that it looks just like a leaf, right? And so that's its amazing part of the animal that allows it to be able to camouflage into the daily life of itself too. So that's something really amazing. I don't really know if you know it, but animals are divided into two parts. Living things are divided into two parts. Animals are the ones that consume from their prey and finds food from other creatures for themselves. But plants, they are able to create their own food. But what about this kind of slug? This is a mixotroph, which means that it could both eat meat from other creatures but also create itself energy. And that is something so cool, right? And also, another amazing point that they have is that they are photosynthesis animal. And that's something really cool. Which means that it could transform light energy into chemical energy for itself. And that's something so amazing. Usually it's just the animal that have one skill and the plants that have one skill, but these kind of Eliza chlorotica can actually do both. So that's an amazing thing. Well, next, the Eliza chlorica is capable of stealing photopaths from its algae prey by using its really pointy teeth to actually bite through the algae to steal chloropaths, and that is something really cool. Also, as you really does know, the chloropath is the most amazing thing the that this kind of animal consumes. And so this animal doesn't just basically needs to get feed every day or every twice a day or something. But no, it's not like that. They could even store the food for weeks and weeks and still is able to move and to live a usual life. And the chloropograss, now in this term, is called kleptopaths. Kleptopaths is in that term, and it's called kleptopaths. Will start to remain in the functional part of the animal here in this part. Look at my mouse here. Yeah, in this part of the uh, Elijah. You could you could search on Google to learn more. Well, it starts to remain, and after some weeks, it will automatically and extensionally create a photosynthetic slug, which means that the slug right now can actually basically here is that now the slug can progress from light energy to chemical energy by itself. And so chloroplast is something really important for the slug. But that is all about some amazing facts that I've learned about this kind of amazing insect. An insect that's also a plant, and a plant that's also an insect. Well, that is all for today's talk. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.